Hi, it's Nickes. Today I want to and shoot another video that and about in this series and how to make multiple income of stream and in my last video that I'm going to show you that and you can tap into this platform and you can learn over not 10, 20, 30, 40 and you can make over 15 50 multiple income, but it is also because it is on a private community so you cannot easily to find on the market. If you want to tap into it is also very easy. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing that it will come to my bonus, come to this sales page. You just simply create your free account on my online startup. And also you can imagine this also your name, email address, username, password. We type your password, put a link, agree to privacy policy and terms of agreement, and also you can create a free account. After that, you get into the free account and you can see that you can see it for yourself. You can after you can if you are newbie and want to make money, then it's also the easy ways to make money online by affiliate marketing. Just for purchase and propose some and other people's product and when they somebody to purchase through your link and you get commission. Warrior and the marketplace I like Warrior JV soon they will pay you 15% commission. In ClickBank they will pay you 17.5% commission. If you can make one over some of the program, if you make a super affiliate, that is you can make over 1,000 sales in a year, in a month, and you can inform the vendor to bump up your commission and percentage up to 90% commission. So let's take a look at what is when you can tap into my online startup membership area, and you can simply to go through all the steps and you can learn how to build what is the affiliate marketing, how to build your list, how to build your authority by your build your website, how to use YouTube marketing is also free. Follow marketing and also if you want to get your traffic target traffic, you can use solo ad and you can go through the sales, go through this this video channel to help you how to go through and make money online with affiliate marketing. And then a free step join the community. This also you can join the Facebook private Facebook group, and then you can also if you want to make over 15 income stream, then you can check out their partner program. Because I have your join as a partner. If you are not a partner, you can take it and you will take you webinar about hour and chat will walk you through everything that you need to know when what is the benefit of when you tap into this partner. So they also when when you tap into the partner, when you join the partner, and that is when you have your affiliate link, that is when you join his partner, and then you will have your affiliate link. You can promote it when you just copy and paste, and you will have them and have your affiliate link that you promote this my online startup free education platform. And when somebody create a account and also purchase anything inside in the members area, they cost included tools, software and other resources that they also included some high and low ticket low ticket product and recurring product and some of them are the high ticket program and also as another software they also tools and software they also you should tap into because software they will get they will pay month after month. That is when they tap into such as ClickFunnels, Page Builder, ClickFunnels, and also the and you can have and get response auto response and you have to click magic for the checklist. This is also the three of the most important thing that you should have to, they have to tap into when they want to build their online business. This is the most important thing that they have to tap into. If you don't have this tool, they also come with a membership just per when they active as a member and you will get paid month after month after you have this also your affiliate link and you just promote this and when you become a partner membership they will have all the steps that you will go through and take you through talk on babies I don't want to spend too much time to go through everything and too much time for you because this is a partner and membership and this is not available for me to convert everything inside in the partner because it's a secret. This is a secret and just go through what step that you will take into the first step you will take into about 1 hour with all partners must start here is also an introduction and also your affiliate link you can provide and you can copy and provide other people to join this free education platform and the second begin your 90-day challenge. It's also will tap into the Facebook private Facebook and also you have mentor and also and how to in 90 days is also about 3 months how to start your online business to promote this and also you can learn multiple income stream and the third is how you will learn commission it will explain it and how you can make more different affiliate commission and also this is also active your income stream this is also very important because you will enjoy different program some of them they are free to join you don't have to pay any money and when they tap into their program and you can become their affiliate program and grab their affiliate link and you can start them when and you can such as anyone that tap into and buy any tools and resources and course and you will get commission that is also like and partner with program partner with Anthony and this also how to become an instant authority people by people how to become review and become and build your brand this is also to become an instant authority people would like trust and know like and trust you that is to increase your conversion to people would buy through your link it also will come with 3 different modules module number 1 is success mindset how to fine tune your mindset to make you more success this is also the most important thing before you start any online business module number 2 is 10x commission how to make more commission more that is 10x I highly recommend you can carefully and also we watch when you become the partner you can watch this module 2 times or 3 times because this is also how to 10x your commission module number 3 is traffic generation traffic is most important and this when you become a partner how to make more traffic to drive to your affiliate link that is you to share your free 100% the education free platform and then when they become the member purchase anything inside the member server and you get paid and also share your personal result if you get any result you can share it with inside the Facebook group submit a video testimonial this also they highly recommend if you get result should submit a video testimonial this is also a highly recommended you can grab it because not only this is also to let other new member to know and like trust you and also you build the Facebook more compelling and also they included the marketing image and slide that also has some image this is also a banner and slide in order to help you to make your affiliate to promote this platform much more easier and the last step you become a legendary partner this is also this is also such like unlock your high taken commission this is also you will take a much more and to the next level and when you become a legendary partner you can this is also I think this is also about $997 about $597 for one-time payment but if you are tap into you will have more and easier than and other than you can make $100 you can make $100 and also you can possibility that you can make 15% commission commission when anybody to join this legendary partner and you will get almost $500 per sale. This is also another platform, but in my opinion, just to if you just want to make just for over 15 income stream, and then create your account, go through the sales page if you are interested in it, and you can request and to watch the partner program to see if they are suitable for you and also for your budget. If you is suitable for your budget and you are interested in how to make over 15 income stream, you can tap into that and become a legend and become a partner. It's just for one-time payment. And lastly, I will go through what is the most important thing. This is also to activate your income stream. The income stream is also that you can unlock that is to unlock the menu commission, and also unlock the 100 partner commission. This is also when anybody become a partner, and you will get $100 commission. And also you will get other affiliate platform, and also this is also a wealthy affiliate. I think most of you may heard of this program, wealthy affiliate, and Udemy. This is also a solo ad, and unlock the traffic from Meta. This is another platform so for solo ad, get response, and auto response. Click magic. This is also to check your number and the link, and also and other new method is list commission, and after that you completed all of them, and you can check all of affiliate ID if they any have tapped into excuse me, and you can check. You can apply all of them commission, all of them affiliate program, and tap into all of your affiliate commission. If you everything is done, and then anyone who create this education platform and tap into that, and also buy any software tools and other resources program, and then you will get paid. That is very simple. So lastly, I hope you will really enjoy that to how to make multiple income stream. If you are interested in it, simply create your free account, take a look inside the members area, and also you can learn how you can how to build your online business. If you are newbie, if you are an intermediate marketer, and also you can also go through and because there has something and unlock the secret that you can discover. And also if you want to make more multiple income of stream over 15 income stream, and you can you should and then you can check out their partner program. This is just for one-time payment. When you tap into the partner program, and you go through the partner membership, and also the most important and go through the sales all the step, and also the most important thing is to and also to add your affiliate link, and that's it, and you will start to promote your affiliate link by using their marketing image and spoiler, and also how to drive traffic generation with this module number 3. So thanks for taking time to check out my marketing idea series. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And other than that, I will have more video about the marketing ideas tips, idea series about how to make more let your businesses to the next level. And also I have a daily video about the product launcher, and in the upcoming day I also have more video about how to make money online to increase your side hustle. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you will support my YouTube channel. See you.